I will answer on that. But
I will not listen until I
but you listen first.
Digitalization, we read the
You
can tell now.
You can tell. You are supporting like digital media. You are supporting like digital media.
That you cut the tree because of machine, na? Competition. How many if you're saying.
application view X.
What's your name?
My name is Akanksha Singh.
This is me, Manita.
Okay.
And today, like, I just want to discuss with you that I don't like digitalization.
Why?
I don't feel like it's okay to be like have full of digitalization everywhere.
Why?
Like I have my words. So like, do you agree with that? Like,
No,
with that?
I like I support like digital is important in this era because everything is digitally and we technology based on technology.
But excess of technology is very harmful. You can agree with this.
Excess of everything is harmful,
like,
but it is depend upon the people how they are using. So it's depend on the people. Excess of everything is like disastrous.
So like people are not using that in a right way. So that's why I'm saying that digitalization is not good because people are not even aware about how
no
much
governments made the laws and restrictions of the when they
government has made the responsibility, but people are not doing the responsibility. I don't think so.
But it is harmful for people also when they are over consumes anything, so it will harmful for us. But human species is like they promote ourselves first. So when they they think like it is not good for us, they will
that's the problem. People are not even realizing that it is not good for them. People are getting addicted to various things and it made them isolated. They are just busy with their mobile phones, doing everything online. They are not even interacting with the people, not even interacting with the parents. That's what I'm saying. They are not even realizing it. How can you say that?
What about the connectivity where your parents are living in other country in the COVID-19, they send the money with the digital payment and all. So how can you say like digital media is not good?
Money. We are using the banks and everything, but online
it will take lots of time. It will take lots of time. But digitally we can say in 1 second.
No, I don't agree with that. Online payment is very. I had experienced the crimes, the cyberbullying, the cyber crimes. But about that, people are not. There are so many hackers available all over this globe. They are just making the
like everything in this environment, everything is present. Like the predator is also present. But the rules and regulations are made, and we are made the security that much like we prevent this like this type of
security is not. If it would happen there, they just register our complaint. They just don't give us our back payment.
You are talking about like security. Like what about the health of human? Like the digital, like ventilators. Like we are totally dependent on the technology. We are using machines also. They are technology.
Because of technologies, we are having this health problems.
Earlier we are not having.
Not allowing us.
Earlier we are not having like this type of. Earlier we have the plague. These type of disaster disease we have because of technology. We are tackling with this type of
COVID-19. What about COVID-19?
We are developed by technology.
Because of the science.
In COVID-19 we spread the awareness because of digital media. In the second we spread the awareness. How can you like aware the people in the offline? It will take lots of time. Then we it spread the lots of disease. How can
diseases are the use of the social media, use of this digitalization, use of this technology.
What type of diseases come with the digitalization?
You can tell now.
You can tell. You are supporting like digital media. You are supporting like digital media is not good. You tell the disease come with digital media. You are supporting
the brain tumor, the anxiety, the stress of the people. They are being isolated all of the time.
Anxiety. What about the cancer? That technology and the therapies are using because of technology. We are using like these type of gadget. Then we are tackled with that like cancer and operation, MRI, like X-ray. How can we identify the design?
MRI. You know that MRI. There's a machine like even if you wear a single piece of jewelry, you'll have destroy all of your life. That is being killed.
Okay, I agree. It will like somewhere it will affect the people. So you tell
somewhere it will not. It is being
listen.
To the highest.
You tell the like another option. question. How can we identify the disease? What type of disease or what type of problem they are
earlier,
taking?
how
You tell the
people were being
alternative.
there?
You tell the alternative of the like machines. You tell.
You first tell them that what is the cause of
I'm agree digital
What is
like
the cause?
machines
Earlier
are
it was
helping.
not there.
You are
Earlier
telling like
COVID-19 was not
machines
there.
are not good. So you tell the alternative of
Machines
machines.
are not good.
You
Yes,
tell alternative of the
people
machine.
are not being, when people are being educated, well,
I
how Vedas
ask
are doing that?
simple
How
thing.
Vedas, how
You
can
tell the
please tell me?
alternative of machine. How can we identify the disease?
So that's the knowledge that people earlier
So
there was
it
no
is
machine. There
helpful.
was
Why
no
you are like
machine.
said that digital and technology is not good? We are totally depend on technology. You are
This is our
using
personal
phone.
problem. That's why the cause, the problems arises because we are totally dependent. We are not using our minds. We are depending on machine. We are depending on AI. We are depending all emotional,
But
practically,
earlier-
mentally, everything on AI. How could you say? You are saying what is the alternative? You are just making excuse. You are
Give
just,
the alternative.
You are making excuse. Creating AI.
Give the alternative which is environmentally, which is eco-friendly, which it is not
Yeah,
got
it was there.
any
It was
effect.
there.
You can
It
tell
was there
alternative.
earlier.
But
It was
what
there.
about the education? Lots of
Education
students.
schools are not there. There should be digital schools. You
Yeah.
want digital schools?
Not the people are they want like higher studies like the
can go and have higher
NEET and
studies.
JEE. It is very
They can go
costly.
and have
When
higher
it is like when they are like it is offline. It is fixed for the rich people who
It
they
is
are
not
like
so.
they
It
cost
is
the
not
fee. It is when they are like cost that much amount then they will teach. But in
It is not.
because
The
of
people are
digital
going-
media
people are
we
preferring
are
offline
taught by
courses more because
we-
they think like
we
offline
get-
courses will allow you to interact, giving and engaging yourself all over the time on your laptops.
They are consume lots of money. They are consume lots of money. You are agree on that?
What they are consuming?
Like in
Even the-
offline,
do you
in
think that
offline,
offline
they
and online
they
are
know
very- online
they
is
know
very
that
cheap?
they know
You
your
agree online is very
they
cheap?
know your like a weakness.
They don't know our
They
weakness
know
because they are
your
not knowing me
weakness.
physically.
Like you want to become a doctor, you want to become an engineer. You cost like that of money, that
Even
amount
in
of
the
money.
college, are you going to attend your college on the phone? You
Yes,
have to.
in COVID-19, everyone used the digital media. How can you say like no one is using digital media?
It was there, and as a result, people are just showing how they have learned in COVID-19. They have this education level. We cannot. People are not.
So for 2 years, for 3 years, you can like
children
stop
can
your
learn
studies.
ABC.
For 2 years, you can stop your studies. For 2 years, you can stop your studies and all.
You are saying no.
I'm not saying you are not supporting digital media. I'm supporting like we are taking online classes.
Online classes. People are taking online classes, going to just giving your parents excuses. Mama, I'm attending online classes. Doesn't mean you are being aware. You are being educated.
It is the fault of parents. They are not mentally educated. They are not treated. Their parents are like
First of all, tell me about the AI. What do you think the AI taking on your jobs? Are you agree with this or not?
AI taking the job
Taking the
also,
jobs,
but
right?
it create the job also.
How it will create?
Like AI is totally depend upon the machines. Machine
why
repairing
people are going-
the
humans
tools
are.
and they are manufacturing in companies.
Humans
So
are
it is
depending on
create the
AI.
employment and so.
Humans are depending on AI. AI is taking away all over our jobs.
Who create the AI? Who create the AI?
People are unemployed. You know what?
Who create the AI? Human are creating.
Creating employees takes only a limited amount of people. But if you want to tackle the jobs, you want millions of people.
But
to be
it
employed.
create also
creating
job.
Like if you are saying that for creating employees, we are taking 1/4 of the population for creating AI. And what about the rest of the population? What about the rest of the population?
Listen first.
Yes.
Listen. It create also the employment like machine. The tools are using in AI. So they are the machine is like it will then it will repair also after some time.
AI
it
is
will
you
destroy.
have been
So
modifying AI everything.
people are able to repair. So for that repairing,
No, I
the
don't agree.
human are
For
there.
repairing AI, people are also engaging AI. Because they have modified your AI, they have interrupted the code in the AI, they can only repair the AI. What about the use of humans? AI, they are not knowing the human emotions. They are devoid of the ethics, the morals. They are not.
What about the natural disaster? I ask one question.
First answer this question.
I will answer. I will answer on that. But
I will not listen until I
But you
answer
listen
this.
first. Like natural
No.
disaster,
Not
like
natural
earthquake,
disaster.
like weather forecasting. Who like you detect the like condition to human, they adapt.
What? They adapt.
They adapt. They
They
take
are
technology.
not humans. They are not humans. They will not care about you. They will just
When
go
they
and
are
cut the
when
code
they
and
are
cut it.
create AI.
Are you agreeing that AI is the cons of this digitalization? AI is the negative aspect of technology. Are you agreeing with this?
No.
So what? So that's your person.
Very good.
No.
Hi,
Hello, this is me Nida Khan.
I'm myself Prachi Tripathi.
Okay, I'm not in the favor of digitalization and technology also. And you?
And I'm favoring the digitalization.
Okay, share your point.
Okay. When we are talking about the digitalization, we know that each and everything comes under this. From from the start of the morning till the night.
What about animals? Because of 5G radiation, the technology.
First of all, yes.
Okay. We know that the from food to the stopping, from any information to the any guidance, you should know that each and everything available in the digital media. So we are very socialized and we are very connected with all the peoples, whatever they are present in
So you
front
are
of you.
trying to saying that you are totally dependent on digitalization only.
Approximately.
And what about animals? Because of 5G radiation, the technology becomes increasing day by day, and the animals day by day died because of technology. 5G radiation.
There are some programs in which we are supporting we are doing some programs so the radiation is decreased.
No,
and
increasing.
there are some programs like plantation of trees and each and everything
Who
decrease
do
the
plantation? No, nobody do plantation. Everybody
there are some
everybody is
programs.
doing the radiation, 5G radiation, 6G radiation, and they are only
government apply that program that plantation is necessary for each and every person.
If a person make any
it's a
machine, they only research on the first
it's a
day animal,
responsibility of
and
a
that's
person
all.
who they must be plant a tree in a year. They must plant a tree 100 trees.
Tell me the one question, then with the one answer. One plant is enough for the animal.
100 plants in a year. 100 plants in a year.
And what about birds? 100 birds and died in one day.
One day, then when we are planting a tree, then the radiation will be decreased.
If you planting a one tree, it get time. It like this. If you it's not depend upon the growth. It's depend upon the amount of oxygen, the amount of carbon dioxide, and the amount of the greenery, carbohydrate, and or whatever it is. One child born, he is only 1 month. He give you make money. No, if he get 18 years and 90 when they earn
You
money
must-
and then give you.
it's the
Like this,
responsibility of the
if you
person
planting a one
to
plant,
stop
this is like a
deforestation.
child, a 1 month child, and if they increase when then he give you fruits and vegetables.
Then you should follow the rules that you are not going to cut the trees and all the things which are
We are
present.
not cut the trees. You are doing a radiation
Because of
this.
non-digitalization, because of the non-digitalization,
you are doing planting.
because of the non-digitalization, you are using paper. Because of the paper, you are cutting the trees. Because of using of paper, you should cut the trees. You need a tree.
Who made paper machines? And you are in the
talking
favor of
about
machines. You are on the favor
I am
of
favoring the
digitalization.
machine. I am the favoring of machine, but I am also favoring the digitalization, in which you don't need any paper. You don't need any things which are you are using that. If you are using a copy, if you are using a book, if you are using a newspaper, use of papers, and it must allow the cut the trees. So what is the benefit of that? If it is digitalization, if it comes under the net, if you are using the digital things, then you are not using the paper things.
So you are said that digitalization cut the trees.
Non-digitalization cut the trees. If you are using a paper, digitalization not means only the technology. It's all about the sites. It's all about the digital things present over on internet, on the media. That
You cut the tree because of machine, na? Machine cut the tree.
Not only machine cut the tree. From the ancient time, there are machines not available. They are using fauda and whatever it is called. It is not a type of machine that techniques made.
I ask you one simple question. Because of 5G radiation, birds are died in day by day.
give me this answer.
So birds are dying. So we are trying to save that, decrease the radiation.
How?
To plant the trees.
Who
Plantation.
planted? No.
Because of the plantation of trees.
Hi. Hi. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Thank you for asking me.
So you are supporting digitalization?
Yes.
Not digitalization. That
Yes.
you are not in favor of digitalization.
Yes, yes.
Okay. What's your points?
My point is, I mean, every people addicted on mobile, I mean, social media and all things. So they are not giving us so much time for our family members and our relatives. So I mean, and social media also become a dumb. And no anyone use our brain for searching anything. And even when every people prefer to going to offline coaching classes compared to online, because the online classes is not clear your all queries, and we are also coming offline classes to learn something.
Okay. You are talking about the online classes and offline classes.
Yes.
When we are talking about normal education, then the offline classes is okay. But when we are talking about the competitive exams, when we are talking about the NEET, JEE, some UPSC and all the things, it is not compulsory to go in offline classes. It is not, everyone cannot afford. When we are talking about the UPSC coaching's rate, then there are some in lakhs. So, not each and every person afford that type of amount, in that big amount. So they are prefer the online classes, because and that time the rate will be decreased, and the person that live
Online classes also very expensive. How can say like that?
not each and every online classes are expensive. When we are talking about the UPSC, when you are going for the offline classes, their fee will be 1.9 lakh.
So are you doing
1.9 lakh?
individually class, no?
And
Why are you
then
taking
you
so
are
much,
taking online classes, it comes only 90,000 or 1 lakh. The 90,000 amount.
No,
will
I'm not
save
agree with
by-
this. Online classes are also expensive. How can
Not each and every classes are expensive. We are talking about the online classes. It is
offline
not-
classes are also not so expensive. Every
when
class
we
is
are talking
expensive,
about
no?
when you are talking about any competitive exam, if you are talking about the
Firstly,
NEET
why
exam,
are you joining offline class for learning English competition? Why are you joining? Because why are you not joining online classes?
it's affordable for me. It's affordable for me.
It's not affordable.
It's affordable for me. But
Online also very cheap, now. You are saying online classes
yes,
is very.
but I want to explore the things. I want to go.
That's why.
The
You explore new thing and you know the competition. How many people
But I'm not using that online classes, offline classes only. I prefer online classes. I prefer online things also. After going from there.
Firstly, why are you joining this class? I mean offline. You are preferring online classes. Why are you
For learning purpose, for interaction, for the knowing the things
This is the main point.
Firstly, listen to me. I use online classes. I prefer the online classes because I know that there is no interaction. There is no for the building of communication. When we are talking about the communication, when we are talking about the language, we should follow the rules of that. Someone who in front of you to talk, not for the chatting.
Everything, not learning.
No.
You are going to any classes in any current affair and there were
You are talking-
many classes. You just
Know the
competition, how
the
many
personal, when we are talking about the personality development, it not comes under the digitalization. You are talking about I am talking about the basic classes like NEET, if your competitive exams, this is not a competitive exam, it is a normal classes. You can go for the college also. So, but you are talking about, when we are talking about the competitive exam, there is no possibility that he or she will need each and everything from the schools and from the coaching. They should take a help of digital media.
You all time taking online classes. I mean, this affected on your health, na? I mean, you all time.
But there is a curation, na? There is a curation that you. Wait a minute.
UPSC syllabus is very large.
It is very tough. I know it is very tough. When you are talking about that book things, you are going to read all the times continuously.
But are you
on that
agree-
time
but
also
are you
you are
agree-
affecting your.
but are you
on
agree-
that time you are affecting your brain, you are affecting your eyes by using
How
books
can
also.
how can you read a book? Because you are supporting now people cutting a tree, so, don't make a
So
book.
that's why na, digitalization is important for the not cutting of trees.
Book also not there na.
So that's why you are using digital media, na? So
So you are
if
agree.
you are not-
You are agree. I am reading a book.
No, I'm giving that you are talking about that by using a phone, by using a digital things, you are affecting your health. So when you are using books and non-digital things, then also you are affecting your
It's
health.
not compared to.
It's your responsibility to cure yourself. It's your responsibility.
I mean, how
it's
can
up to the people. It's up to the people.
Hello,
Hello, brother. How are you?
I am good. And you?
I am fine. So you are like supporting in digitalization.
Digital media, yes.
So can you tell about digitalization? What is?
I'm digital media profit is if someone want to go anywhere, so normally book online tickets. If normally available train ticket and bus ticket, and if anyone want to order some food, only order Swiggy, Zomato, and this is also part of digital media.
Yes, yes.
So when you are ordering a food, then food deliver you very bad. Then what you do?
No, it is not bad. It was not bad.
But many types of restaurants selling breast food, I think.
So this is your responsibility, na, to first of all see food and rating.
Okay. So mostly restaurants doing a mistake, then what can you do? Because of Swiggy customer service or not replying you, they are only giving you a coupon, not giving you a totally refund. Then what you
Only send him message to my food is not good, and restaurant send food again.
No, that's not possible because of some people.
No, that is possible.
These types of fraud.
I do more time. Doing more than time. I receive bad product, so I normally message restaurant ki my.
So if you are going to watch a movie, any movie, okay? So you are book a ticket on in PVR cinemas and novelty cinemas.
Sorry,
So,
I don't watch.
I will give you a example.
No, I can't take any example like that.
I will take it.
I am saying that if anyone want to go anywhere,
Okay.
normally book Uber, Ola. There is many options, and if anyone want to go anywhere, normally use GPS tracking. Very easy thing. GPS track. If anyone don't know that location, so normally send her location to Kim.
But many times people are confused with location.
So
Then
that's not digital problem. That's your problem. Why are you not understand?
because of
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Fine. This is Mangesh, and I am here against with the digitalizations, and you are in favor of the digitalization. What is the benefit of the digitalization?
The benefits of digitalization is that one of the most benefit we can save our time easily without standing in a long queue. We can transfer money to one bank to another bank. We can book online tickets. We can book bus tickets without standing in a long line.
It is also
the best.
promote the phishing, and many people's many people's do this transaction, got access of the bank and try to phishing persons. How to say about this? This is advantage of the digitalization. It is a disadvantage of the digitalization.
It is the advantage. It's the best advantage. We can save our time. People have no extra time to go standing in a
For
long
saving
queue.
our time, we give our own details and personal details to the another person, and they got access about the own personal access and privacy, and they
We have
phishing us.
security. We have security.
Which are the security?
Everyone has security. When we transfer money, they doesn't share their PIN. They only scan the code.
No, I don't.
agree with you because of you are not share with your OTP. Then he
doesn't-
call you and he access all the document of the your
OTP
mobiles and
don't
he
share anyone.
phishing you.
It is our privacy.
And
OTP
he-
doesn't share anyone.
He mind was your mind.
There is
and
no need to share OTP for online transaction.
You know about the phishing crime. What is the phishing crime?
Cyber crime.
No, phishing crime is a person call to you and after that he access whenever you receive the call, he got the access of your all data of the mobiles and he access of function of the all your mobiles and he also whenever you attend the class क्या कहते हैं receive the call and he got the access of the your mobiles and he already you know access about your bank account and he without your giving any OTP and he also eradicate your bank account.
No, it is not possible. We should have to maintain privacy. Then it is possible. Then it is not
Which
possible.
type of the security you maintain?
Every security is present in the mobile.
No. You whenever you install any application, you give the access about your locations, media, and contact. And how it is a security?